We're looking at number 3. It says a system of equations has no solutions. Given that one of the equations is 4x minus 3 equals 2, select the following that could be the other equation. So the first way we got to approach this is we have to figure out what does it mean by no solution. No solution means they're going to be parallel lines. They're not going to intersect. So these are going to be parallel lines. So let's figure out what is the slope of this equation. So let's put this in the slope-intercept form. So we have 4x minus 3y equals 2. We're going to do subtract 4x, we get negative 3y equals negative 4x plus 2 divided by everything by negative 3. We get y is equal to 4x 3 plus, we'll just say minus 2/3. So that's the line. That means our slope is equal to 4/3. So which ones are going to give us no solutions based off this information? First line, if I look at it, it's the same line, just doubled. So that won't be an answer. Not the same line because different signs. So let's just test that out. Let's find, we gotta find the slope for this one. What's the slope? Here, no quick tricks, we gotta find the slope. No quick tricks, gotta find the slope. Alright, we gotta see which ones has no solutions with this equation. So let's just call this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's focus on line 1 first. Line 1 is negative 8x plus 6y equals 8. We add 8 over, we get 6y equals 8x plus 8. We divide everything by 6. We get y is equal to 8 and 6 has a GCF of 2, so it becomes 4/3. X plus 6 and 3 becomes, again, divided by 2, you get 4/3. So that has the same slope, as you can see, of line 2. The slope of line 1 is equal to 4/3. So our first solution here would be this one, because they have the same slope, therefore they can't intersect. Let's try line 2 now. We want to isolate y to find the slope. Divided by 4 now. So we get 3/4 x plus 1/2. So we divide it by 4. So you look right here, we have 3/4, which is not the same slope. So we don't have to focus on that one. Let's do it again for line 3. Move it up a little bit. So we have line 3, which is 3x minus 4y equals negative 2. When we subtract the 3x over, we get negative 4y equals negative 3x minus 2. Divided by negative 4, we get y equals 3/4 x plus divided by 4, which becomes 1/2. Again, that's a 3/4 slope. And we would have noticed that. I should have noticed it because it's the same line, basically, just swapped with the signs. That doesn't work. And let's just do the other line right here, line 4. So what I'm going to do is isolate y, negative 3y equals negative 2 plus 4x. I'll swap it in a second, divide everything by, shoot, what did I do here? Divide everything by negative 3. so we get right here. Oh, I'm messed up. Let me just redo it. 4x minus 3y equals 2. Subtract the 4x, that's what I forgot to do. Negative 3y equals negative 4x plus 2 divided by negative 3. We get y is equal to 4/3 x minus 2/3. Same slope as above. So we would choose line 4 also would give 0 solutions for this problem. Alright, and that is for number 3.